Selling your home? Should you get inspections before listing? Hi, I'm Mike with the Wrigley Realty Group. Whether buying or selling, for the best real estate information, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to be notified when we post a new video every Wednesday. When you sell, the buyer often asks for repairs. Is it a good idea to pay for inspections before you list? Here's what we think. The question comes up more often than not. Should we have the property inspected before we list? The answer is a resounding maybe. It really all depends on the age and condition of the property, local customs, and the market condition. If your home is in fairly good condition, you've maintained it, kept up with the minor things that go wrong, and it's a seller's market, you might not want to pay for any inspections up front. On the other hand, if your home is old and you honestly haven't maintained it very well, you may want to know what your potential liability may be regardless of what kind of market you're in. In a strong buyer's market, we suggest several pre-listing inspections, including a pest inspection to determine if you have dry rot or termites, a roof inspection to determine the condition of the roof, and even possibly a whole house inspection to ferret out any health and safety concerns a buyer might have. Addressing these items beforehand will make your home easier to sell and usually sell for more in any market. One word of caution. In California, you are obligated to disclose each and every inspection to the potential buyer, even if you made the corrections discovered in the inspections. In a strong buyer's or even neutral market, the better you can prepare your home, the faster it will sell and sell for more. In a strong seller's market, you should have more leverage and may not want to incur the additional expense of the inspections. In all cases, you will need at a minimum to have smoke detectors installed and have the water heater strapped and even possibly anchored and braced. In most cases, you will also be required to have a carbon monoxide detector installed as well, maybe even two if you live in a two-story home. Bottom line, ask your realtor for their opinion and go from there. That's why part of our strategic marketing consultation covers repairs and improvements you should or should not do prior to listing. For us, it's all about getting you the most amount of money in the shortest amount of time with the fewest number of hassles. Still not sure what to do or need more information? Click on the Contact Us link below or call today and we'd be more than happy to schedule a strategic marketing consultation with you. Also, want to get daily updates and interesting real estate tips and tricks? Like our Facebook page by clicking on the Facebook link below. Well, what do you think? Leave your comments in the section below. If this video was helpful, be sure to subscribe, share with a friend, and hit the like button so I know to make more videos just like this one. I'll see you on the next one, and make it a great day.